Welcome to the fabulous Las Vegas. I have just landed and I'm getting ready to head over to the ride sharing area so I can order a car and head to Caesar's Palace where I'll be staying for the next 2 nights. My Uber has dropped me off at the ride-sharing drop-off pickup point at Caesar's Palace. It is currently released in December 2021. It was at the back of the hotel because the front of the hotel is currently under construction. So once I walked through the casino and hotel, I went to the front desk to get my key so I can go up to the room. My friend is already in the room, and so I'm going to get on the elevator, scan my key, so it can take me to my floor and head to our room. Hey! After I got settled in the hotel room, we headed down to the Forum Food Court, which is the food court in Caesar's Palace. I bought food from Bobby's Burgers, which took quite some time, and they only sold Pepsi products, and it was not the best. So after we finished eating there, we headed over to Vanderpump Vegas for drinks. How cute is this place? Hey Explorers, so as you realize, I am in Vegas and I'm here for the Usher Residency at Caesar's Palace. So that's where I'm staying, and we're just gonna enjoy the day in Vegas and then leave early tomorrow morning to head back home. So let's enjoy our time in Vegas. Since I'm only in Las Vegas for less than 48 hours, I have to hop in an Uber from Caesar's Palace and head over to Pizza Rock, which is located at 201 North 3rd Street in downtown Las Vegas. I took my friend over so we can enjoy a 13-time World Pizza Champion, and Pizza Rock was designed and created by 3 best friends. If you're ever in Las Vegas, definitely make sure you stop by Pizza Rock and enjoy a delicious pizza pie. After we finished eating lunch at Pizza Rock, we caught an Uber back to Caesar's Palace and decided to get a cup of joe, some Starbucks, because it was kind of cold outside and rainy. So after we grabbed some coffee, we decided to walk around Vegas. And we left Caesar's Palace and walked over the bridge that connected to the Bellagio. And as you can see, we are now in the conservatory. The conservatory changes multiple times throughout the year based on the season. And of course, we went in December, so as you can see, it is Christmas time in the Bellagio. After exploring the Bellagio, we walked over to the Paris Hotel to get all of our Parisian vibes for a few minutes in Vegas. After wandering around the Vegas Strip, we headed back to our room at Caesar's Palace to get ready for dinner. We decided to have dinner and made reservations in advance for Top of the World at the Stratosphere. So we are getting ready and we're going to catch an Uber over to that hotel for a dinner before the Usher Residency concert. Once you arrive at the Stratosphere Hotel and Casino, you will follow signs through the hotel towards Top of the World. You will then go up, you will check in with the host and go through a security checkpoint. You will then be escorted on an elevator up to the floor where dinner reservations are taken. As you can see here, we have now been seated at our table, and you see there is a level down below. That level down below actually rotates, so you'll be able to see every single angle of Vegas from that level. It moves very slowly, and looking at it from up above, it will make you nauseous, or at least make me a little nauseous looking at it too long. But you would have to make earlier reservations in order to get a table at that level if you want to sit at the rotating floor. I must say, paying for a dinner here at Top of the World, you're definitely paying for the whole experience, the views and the food. The food was like, okay, it wasn't like magnificent, but it was very expensive, but the dessert was actually pretty decent. My bill came up just for one plate, $102. Yes, that's right. It is very expensive to eat here. So if you want to go to the views, you can skip up to another floor to see the views. I don't know if there's an entry cost to get up there, but you can go to that if you don't want to pay for dinner. After we finished eating at Top of the World, we headed back to Caesar's Palace to go to the Coliseum to see Usher live in his residency. The tickets were quite expensive, but it was well worth it because Usher is amazing. Now, as you know, if I post videos here with Usher singing, it's definitely going to have a copyright issue. So I have a link down below to my Instagram where you can actually see some of Usher performing there. So make sure you check that out. But here are some clips of Usher with no music playing. Back from the Usher concert, which was great, except for the tall giants in front of me who kept climbing was all over the place. We came, we saw, we conquered Vegas and the Usher Residency. But now it's time to board our flight back home after less than 48 hours in Vegas and enjoy the rest of our holiday vacation. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you have any questions related to this video or any comments, leave that down below in the comment box. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when all of my videos are released. And make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks so they can see what to do in Vegas in less than 48 hours. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.